Is your Rogers Ignite TV remote frozen or unresponsive? Don't worry, you can likely fix it yourself. Freezing is often due to low batteries, pairing issues, or temporary glitches. First, replace the batteries with fresh AA alkaline or rechargeable ones, ensuring correct polarity. If that doesn't work, try unpairing and repairing the remote. Bring the remote close to the Ignite set-top box and follow the on-screen prompts. Or use the Rogers Ignite app for guided troubleshooting. As of November 2025, this resolves about 15 to 20% of cases. If it's still frozen, proceed to a reset. If battery replacement and repairing didn't solve the problem, perform a remote reset. For a hard reset, try pressing and holding the A and D buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. This clears the remote's memory and forces it to repair. Alternatively, a factory reset using a specific code sequence like 981 erases all settings. Be cautious as you'll need to reconfigure everything. If these steps fail, the Rogers Ignite app has further troubleshooting. As a last resort, contact Rogers support, but be aware that a technician visit might incur a fee. Remember to keep your set-top box firmware updated via the Rogers app to prevent future freezes.